Danke bafowethu. So Percy Tau, one of the most exciting South African football players ever, o-achieve izinto eziningi kakhulu ku-Al Ahly nakwamanye amazwe lena ko-Europe yabo. Wayedlalela iMamelodi Sundowns-ke obvious naku-Sundowns wawina izinto eziningi. So bekunama-rumors amakhulu just before i-transfer window ivalwa, and that time i-Al Ahly report ukuthi uPercy Tau uzohamba. Bekunama-rumors ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs iyafuna uku-add uPercy Tau ngempela i-serious, and i-submit-ile i-offer kuPercy Tau ukuthi iyamdinga e-Naturena yabo. Unfortunately i-Kaizer Chiefs ayikwazanga ukusayina uPercy Tau. Percy Tau he ended up phaya kulama-Arab countries eQatar yabo. But-ke i-contract kaPercy Tau iyaphela end of June kule team le akuyo. But le team akuyine-option yokurenew i-contract, but uPercy Tau njengoba ehola imali engaka kuleya team leya, I don't think they will renew, nanokuthi kunama-struggles wakuleya team leya. But-ke le bayisayinile nje, usayine i-6 months contract, but we have to wait and see ukubona ukuthi i-team izodecide nanokuthi bazohlala phansi noPercy Tau babe ne-solution enjani yabo. But-ke one of the teams la eSouth Africa are-rumored ukuthi afuna uPercy Tau for the very long time, for the longest of time, i-Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs-ke yamdinga umuntu ofana noPercy Tau, creative ngempela, okwaziyo uku-create ama-opportunities nokwavalela, nanokuthi uPercy Tau highly experienced. But-ke the big question ukuthi manje uPercy Tau usasefit na ukuthi acompete to this level, because kubafana siyambona umfana bayampika lapho kumpika, but akusase uPercy Tau lo esimjwayele noPercy Tau esimaziyo in terms of ukudeliver ama-good results. Ngathi confidence ayikho, nanokuthi umfana sekuma early 30s, but he's still young, he can still play for the next 5 years. But uPercy Tau akusase lo Percy Tau lo wa-before thina lo esimaziyo. But-ke italente lona likhona, noma kuthiwani ngempela, but we just have to see ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs izophinda futhi ikhulume noPercy Tau ngabo June July transfer window mivula ukuthi basamdinga ku-Naturena, after yena uPercy Tau wasayina naleya team leya for boma 16 million just for 6 months, 16 million a month or so, reportiwa kanjalo. So if lokho kuyiqiniso ngempela, I don't think Kaizer Chiefs izokwazi uku-afford uPercy Tau, unless uPercy Tau yena uzojoyina iKaizer Chiefs njengothando and then ayithathe le mali abamnika yona. But at the current moment, nade way uPercy Tau ahole ngakhona kuboma Al Ahly nala adlala khona manje, ayikho i-team la eSouth Africa engam-afford ukuthi imkhokhele ngempela le mali lena yabo. But-ke iKaizer Chiefs inama-good financial muscles, maybe ngam-offer i-packaging engcono ukuthi ikwazi ukumdonsa ngempela. And uPercy Tau, I think coming back to South Africa kumele atshele ukuthi okay, manje angidlalela imali, ngisengidlalela nje uthando lebhola, nanokuthi ngiyafuna uku-adda i-value to the team lena engisayinayo efana neKaizer Chiefs. Yeah, but will be interesting ukubona uPercy Tau back to PSL after isikhathi esingaka adlala kwamazwe a-different. Siyakhumbula ukuthi uPercy Tau wasuka la eSouth Africa waye eBelgium ku-second division, and then waya ku-first division yakhona le kuthiwa i-Pro, and then from lapho-ke wadlala kahle kakhulu, and then i-team yakhe, i-parent club yakhe lase-England i-Brighton yambiza, wafika wadlala nakhona ama-games a few, and then-ke uPeter Mosimane wambiza ku-Al Ahly, am-offera i-contract engcono than ku-English Premier League yabo. So yeah, so bona ukuthi uPercy Tau uzokwazi ukuthi abuye ku-PSL because i-contract yakhe yaphela ngempela kule team le ayidlalelayo. Exciting ngempela, but I think i-confidence yakhe iphansi, i-down, or sokunokukhula phakathi, akusafani nalo Percy Tau lo wayena 22 21 kudala. But yeah, we just have to wait and see. But in terms of like i-contribution kaPercy Tau to the national team, nade way esimazi ngakhona in terms of i-football, uyalazi kakhulu ibhola. But-ke sometimes uma uloku ukhula izinto ziyachange, because as a footballer ziningi izinto eziku-affectayo yabo, nanomzimba usa-react njenga-before. But yeah, nama-personal issues maybe just abantu abangawaziyo angaya-affect i-performance yomuntu. But yeah, uPercy Tau has been off for a very long time masimbukele, more especially mabampikile lapha Bafana bake bahlala bangamselect and then bathi bayambuyisa, but kusafana. But-ke siyazi ukuthi special talent, very creative, well creator ngempela iplani. But sobona-ke off season ngama-transfer window ukuthi Percy Tau uzoyijoina na iKaizer Chiefs. Danko.